No, you don't. I don't need permission.
Yeah.
Because the more I talk to him, have my head in the car, I can definitely smell marijuana.
Really? How do you know what marijuana smells like? Get that marijuana then. Don't put any drugs in my car from your guys' sleeves. I've seen it on YouTube.
Why do you have a hatchet in your door?
I can have whatever the I want in my door. I can have a gun in my door.
Okay, thanks. That's all I wanted to hear.
Probably a shotgun, right?
Nope. Thought you didn't have an ID.
Yourself.
That sounds like obstructing. You say I hear all kinds of things.
On February 1st, 2022, a frigid morning in Stevens Point, Wisconsin, took a heated turn when a deputy pulled over 33-year-old Nicole Golovski for driving with a suspended license. The encounter immediately turned hostile as Nicole launched into a verbal assault, yelling at the deputy and demanding to know why she was being targeted before the officer could even finish a greeting.
You guys, this trip following and waiting for me to leave my gas pump. Look around, dude.
Well, the reason
You really don't have anything better to do on New Year's Eve? New Year's night? New Year's Day? When there's all these motherfuckers? Get that out my eyes.
It's not in your eyes.
I didn't do anything
if you know
illegal.
I'm pointing right
do you
here.
know I know your is gonna pull me over? I saw you sitting at
You know why?
parties? Parties.
Yes.
Because
You know
you're
why?
lazy and you don't want to pull over somebody with actually where you have to do paperwork.
Who has a suspended driver's license?
Oh, I got a suspended driver's license, but you can pull somebody over drinking and driving, right?
Okay, can I have your ID?
No.
You been smoking tonight?
Nope.
When's the last time you smoked?
None of your business. You smell weed? Nope. Are you gonna find weed? Nope. Sorry, you wasted your time.
I don't actually. I think I do smell weed.
You do? Search it. I told you. F***er. Get your dog. Why did you creep at Quick Trip until I left? Answer that.
Because I saw you had a suspended driver's license.
How did you see that if you're on the other side of the parking lot and then drove around my vehicle, then drove around again?
Okay, you know what? I don't
Who's
need
the
to answer
hardest?
you.
You don't have to answer. I don't have to.
Need a dog.
Do you got weed on you that you would put in my car?
Why would I have weed on me?
You seem like a dirty, lazy cop.
Oh, that's
So when you dig through my car and you're that don't find nothing, don't be upset and then have to give me a ticket for suspended license and drive away like a piece of cop. Why don't you?
He wasn't wearing a seatbelt and didn't want to ID himself either.
Dude, this guy waited at Quick Trip for me.
What's your name?
Off. He does not need to tell you his name legally. You're not going to try to make somebody. He's a passenger. I don't have it with me. My name is Nicole Golovski. You know who the I am. Because you just said I have a suspended license. Do what you got to do with your dog.
Well, I have to verify that's who you are.
Don't find anything. I don't give a f***. And your buddy back there can bring his dog. You guys do this to me anytime.
I've never met you before, so I don't know what you're
talking
talking about.
Answer
What's your
you.
name, sir?
He doesn't have to answer you, does he?
Why
Get it out of his eyes.
You're not wearing a seatbelt.
Neither the f*** am I. Neither am I.
I don't know that.
Oh, well. Quit talking to him. For no reason, I'm pumping gas and doing my makeup. Ready to actually go to a friend's house and have a couple drinks.
How much have you had to drink already?
Not breathalyze me. I'm not talking to you no more.
All right, I'll be right back.
So if you've got a violation on the passenger and he's refusing to identify himself...
I walked up, he wasn't wearing a seatbelt. He's claiming he took it off, but I don't believe him.
Okay.
Neither one of them had him on. She's telling me she's the RO. She gave me her name, but she doesn't have a driver's license on her.
Okay.
So I can write her for that. Let me ask you something, sir. Do you have a valid driver's license?
No.
No? So neither of you are leaving here then until
I
you have a valid driver
you know
also.
What? I can walk away.
Did I do anything
You are
wrong?
being... This is entrapment. Do you know that? You're going to get in trouble.
Not entrapment.
Yes, it is.
If you think I'm going to get in trouble,
It's
my sergeant's
trespass.
right here.
What is that called? Harassment?
Have you been drinking tonight?
No. Breathalyze this.
Breathalyze
Get
this.
it. Get it.
How do
And
I
I'm
know
not
that?
on
Your eyes are
probation.
glossy.
Yeah, I smoke a lot of weed.
Yeah, check and
Plus,
see if you can
the
find
reason-
the driver's license picture.
Well, yeah, I stopped her for, she's suspended.
Oh, okay.
Can I?
You can't leave right now.
If I'm not being detained, yes, I can.
No, you are detained.
How?
You're getting a citation.
That's
You're
not
not
being
going
detained.
anywhere.
That's not being detained.
Yeah, you're not leaving.
Okay, well, when your is done giving me a ticket tag, I'm gonna...
Alert, suspended driver's license. Female, white.
The tension mounted as both occupants flatly refused to provide identification. But the situation shifted from a simple traffic stop to a criminal search when the deputy noticed the distinct odor of marijuana wafting from the cabin. This discovery, paired with blatant seatbelt violations, forced a roadside investigation that confirmed the officer's suspicions and left the driver facing a stack of citations.
She's getting a seatbelt and a suspension. How far do you want to push his identification?
It's up to you, too, if for failure to carry her driver's license on her person.
I kind of feel like that's a double-edged sword because
Okay.
of this already being suspended. She doesn't really have a driver's license. Otherwise, I was going to write it.
I was going to say with him is, I mean, if he says he had it on, he took it, unless you saw that he didn't
Well, I
have
pulled
it
up behind
on.
them. They never took them off. They were, in my books, they were never wearing them. There's video from my squad. You never see them remove seatbelts or anything like that. They were, in my book, they were not wearing them. I don't know, it goes far as telling them, well, take him to jail to identify him and he can get booked in for obstructing.
If you wanted to go that route, at your discretion. If you've got a citable offense, he's refusing to identify himself. He's, by law, is required to identify himself.
Yeah, this would be a simple...
Simple $10 ticket or a criminal...
Well, that and just a suspension. Okay, so are you willing to tell me who you are, what your name is, sir?
No, he doesn't have to. I'm telling him not to talk to you. Do not.
I'm not talking to you
Okay,
right now.
well, I don't want him
Stop
talking to
talking.
you. No.
You
You're
need to stop talking.
disrespecting me
Step out of the
for
vehicle.
no reason.
Step out. Come here. I'm going to talk to you back here.
No.
Walk to the front of that car, please.
I just want to know, dude, speaking person to person, like, why
I would
why
love
are
to
you
speak.
guys not... There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cops here.
Look at how
Why
you're
is it-
reacting.
Because...
I'm not
I'm
trying to
upset. This
mistreat
happens to me
you.
all
I'm
the
not,
time.
like, trying to make you feel
No,
bad.
listen to me. Please let me finish.
Sure.
There's so many drunk crackheads, meth heads, alcoholics, people with so much stuff that if you pulled them over, you would actually, I don't know, it would feel like you were doing good because they were drinking and driving or they had drugs or they were doing something bad.
Okay.
But why pull
Well, you
somebody...
physically told me that you're smoking weed all the time.
Because you're being a thing. My eyes are glassy. You smell weed. Actually, I do smell weed now. You know you don't.
Okay, so here's the thing. You're not identifying yourself. I pulled up behind you. I have a camera that's also in my car that I've never observed either one of you removing a seatbelt. Therefore, you weren't wearing one, which is a violation. If you're not going to tell me who you are or give me your identification, that's obstructing. And then we're going to handle it differently.
What are you trying to do?
Just tell me who you are.
What have I done wrong? Because I saw you driving around.
Yeah, I saw you at Quick Trip. I ran her plate. I saw that she was suspended.
You don't smell weed. You don't smell alcohol. I haven't been drinking.
Okay, for
That's
one
lying
thing,
to me.
it would be lying if I was lying. I'm not lying to you.
Don't raise your voice at me, dude. I have daddy issues, and I don't like men. I don't trust them.
Listen.
I have PTSD. Do not talk to me like that. Do not.
I'm not lying. Everything I say that we're talking about is
You know how
recorded.
scary this is when you see like this happen?
As a registered owner of the vehicle, I can legally do that. I can sit at a gas pump and run every license plate around me. I can legally do that. Aaron Source.
Irving. IRVING. Saragossa. Call it in right now so I can tell you how it is.
On the news, where
None of
people
this
get-
would even have
people
gone
get
this
held
far or
down.
be to where it is right
People
now.
get held down by you
If
guys
you,
and get
if
choked
you
out.
could at least have the slightest bit of
And I am a
respect.
Brad. I do not. I want to walk away from you because I don't owe you shit.
Listen,
But you know what you
walk
would
to
do?
the front of my car.
You know what you would do?
Just walk to the front of that car.
You would physically hurt me. You would hold
I'm
me
not
down.
going to.
But if I tried
I'm not
to run
even going
away,
to touch you.
you would. You'd shoot my.
Just have a seat right there. 6'2" comp. Could you look up Irvin Zaragoza in-house?
Just got that bonus. Yeah, what's the harassment?
This wouldn't, if she wouldn't have like started yelling at me and like all this would have never gotten to this point.
It's just that we're all the time. This just happen. Like we're not doing anything wrong. Literally at the picture, standing there, and like.
So I drive around and I like that's my job is to observe traffic and I run license plates. No, you don't. I don't need permission because the more I talk to him, have my head in the car, I can definitely smell marijuana.
Really? How do you know what marijuana smells like? Get that marijuana then. Don't put any drugs in my car from your guys' sleeves. I've seen it on YouTube.
Okay. How much weed is in the car?
There's no weed here.
I can smell it.
Okay, if you can smell it, then you need to get your nose checked.
No. Irving, we're talking to him. We already got your name. You need to stop asking me questions about my
Jared, you want to walk up here?
You might as well just get it done and over with. You want to get in here and check it? Go ahead.
So I looked at past contacts too with the car, and like it even says that there's been marijuana in this car. So you're gonna tell me that I don't smell it when it's been in here? I don't care to search the whole vehicle. Honestly, I don't want to look in the dame vehicle.
I don't care. Like, what are you trying to get at?
I'm just being honest. I'm talking to you, man to man.
I've already told you. Like, there's nothing here. What do you want?
Nothing. Do you have your phone with you? Irvin, do you want to try to call somebody? Because you guys aren't driving out of here.
Guess what? My uncle lives 2 houses up. I'm pushing my car in his driveway.
I'm going to hand you your phone so you can work on a ride.
I don't need a ride. I'm going to push my car.
Okay, well, I'm going to go knock on that door. I'm going to verify that's your uncle, and he says it's okay. You can put your car there.
Yeah, right. Go ahead. Why don't you check the address? It's in your
I just don't want to talk to you because I don't want you to keep yelling at me. I don't work for the city.
I don't give a f- who you work for. You still did it. I was doing that quick trip. But he said he saw that I have a suspended license when I don't have a front plate.
Keep it up. And I'm going to write you for obstructing for not
Please
giving me your
do.
ID.
Please do. Oh, God, your voice.
There's also a citation for you not wearing a seatbelt. Same court
Look,
date.
I told you he was going to write a ticket for everything because he's going to feel asked for that. He didn't find nothing.
Also, I'm giving you a citation for not having your passenger failing to wear his seatbelt.
The date was February 1, 2022, and at 5:10 a.m., a cold morning in Stevens Point, Wisconsin took a heated turn. A Portage County Sheriff's deputy initiated a stop after a records check revealed the vehicle's registered owner had a suspended license. The driver, 33-year-old Nicole Golovski, didn't wait for a greeting. She immediately launched into a verbal assault, yelling at the deputy and demanding to know why she was being targeted. The tension only mounted as both Nicole and her passenger flatly refused to provide identification. However, the deputy soon noticed another issue. Neither occupant was wearing a seatbelt, and the distinct odor of marijuana was wafting from the cabin. A subsequent search of the vehicle confirmed the deputy's suspicions when marijuana was recovered from the interior. While Nicole was eventually released at the scene, she walked away with a stack of citations for operating while suspended and seatbelt violations. Since she was legally barred from driving, the encounter ended with a logistical headache over how to move her vehicle. Subscribe for more videos and witness the raw reality of police encounters with Bodycam Real Files. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload.